Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share a Photopea tutorial how to create warp photo collage in Photopea. So open your browser and then type photopea.com and enter, and then click new project. I will choose YouTube thumbnail size and click create, and then I will go to my computer. I prepare 16 photo here to be collaged in a single page. So I will select these all, and then I will drag it to here. Okay, so I will select all this photo. Just click here in the top and then press your shift button on your keyboard. Scroll down to the bottom and click here. So it selected all. And then reduce the size by dragging from the corner like this. Okay, and then I will place it here. Now select one of them. Okay, and then click here and drag to here, and then drag the other one and place here and drag it place here. Do the same for the other photos. Okay, and then I will change the background to black. Just click here on the background and then click layer and new fill layer and click color fill, and then click on the color that you want. I will choose this. Click here and then click OK. So it will be added one new layer. Now I will adjust the position of the photo. Press Ctrl and space button and then click on the page like this. Okay. To swipe to left or right or top or bottom, press your space button until your pointer become a hand. Okay. I will adjust this position. Okay, now select again all the photo. Click here, press your shift button and click here. And then to reduce the view, just press your alt button and scroll down. All the photo are selected, so just drag it to the corner like this. Okay, now the photos fit to the page. And then keep selecting all of these photo and then right click here and then choose merge layers. Now the 16 photo become one photo. It's only one layer now, and then go to edit and then go to transform and choose warp. And you can see here it divided with 9 box here, and then I will click this node and drag it down. Okay, it's like a flag, right? And then this one I will drag to the top. Okay, and you can also drag this one to the center and this one. All right, and you can do many things here. Okay, and then just click on the background and click this bucket so it becomes transparent, and this black also move to the bucket. And if you want this photo with transparent background, so you can use in Canva or any other apps, just click file and then export as PNG, and then write the name, for example, warp collage, format PNG. This is the size and this is the quality, and then click save. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope it's useful for you. See you next video and have fun.